Hello guys, are you in a market for a new FPV drone? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to look at 3 best stock FPV drones in 2024. Links to the products you can find in the video description. Let's get started. Number 1 on this list is DJI Avata 2. The DJI Avata 2 elevates the FPV drone experience to new heights, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features. Built with a sleek, durable design, the Avata 2 is perfect for navigating tight spaces and capturing fast-paced action. Its robust frame and enhanced safety features, including an advanced obstacle avoidance system, make it a reliable option for both seasoned pilots and beginners. At its core is a high-performance 4K camera that delivers breathtaking video quality with improved stabilization for ultra-smooth footage. Whether you're racing through narrow paths or filming cinematic aerials, the Avata 2 ensures your shots are sharp, vibrant, and dynamic. The drone's upgraded transmission system provides crystal-clear video feed with ultra-low latency, allowing for precise control and an immersive flying experience that makes you feel as if you're soaring through the skies. With an extended battery life, the DJI Avata 2 lets you enjoy longer flights, offering more time to explore, film, and perfect your maneuvers. Customizable flight modes allow for a tailored experience, from beginner-friendly controls to advanced settings for experienced pilots. Whether you're creating jaw-dropping content or exploring the thrill of FPV racing, the DJI Avata 2 delivers exceptional performance, reliability, and creativity in every flight. Packed with cutting-edge technology and thoughtful upgrades, the DJI Avata 2 is more than just a drone. It's your gateway to an extraordinary flying and filming adventure. For 2024, this drone sets a new standard for FPV enthusiasts and videographers alike. Number 2 on this list is DJI FPV Combo. The DJI FPV Combo is a revolutionary drone system that combines the immersive thrill of first-person flying with DJI's signature innovation and reliability. Designed to provide an exhilarating flying experience, this FPV drone is perfect for beginners and seasoned pilots looking to capture breathtaking footage or dive into FPV racing. At the heart of the DJI FPV Combo is a powerful 4K/60 FPS camera with rock-steady stabilization, ensuring smooth, high-quality footage even during high-speed maneuvers. Whether you're zipping through scenic landscapes or performing acrobatic flips, the DJI FPV captures every detail with crystal clarity. The 150 degrees super-wide field of view further enhances the immersive experience, making you feel as though you're truly soaring through the air. The intuitive motion controller and customizable flight modes, normal, sport, and manual, make it accessible for all skill levels. Beginners can start with normal mode for easier control, while experienced pilots can unleash their creativity in manual mode for full control of the drone's capabilities. The advanced low-latency HD transmission system delivers a seamless and responsive real-time video feed, allowing precise navigation and confident flying. Safety features like the emergency brake and hover function, along with forward and downward obstacle sensing, ensure a secure flying experience. The DJI FPV Combo also boasts an impressive top speed of 87 miles per hour and a max flight time of 20 minutes, making it a powerhouse for adrenaline-filled adventures or cinematic aerial shots. The DJI FPV Combo redefines what's possible in the world of FPV drones, merging speed, performance, and ease of use into a single package. For 2024, it's a top pick for drone enthusiasts, FPV racers, and content creators alike, offering a perfect blend of excitement and professional-grade capabilities. Number 3 on this list is DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an exciting addition to the world of FPV drones, offering a perfect balance of performance, ease of use, and creative potential. Designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, the DJI Neo brings next-level flying experiences to the forefront, making it a top choice for FPV enthusiasts in 2024. Equipped with a high-resolution 4K camera and an ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view, the DJI Neo delivers stunningly crisp and immersive aerial footage. Its advanced stabilization technology ensures smooth and steady video even during fast-paced maneuvers or sharp turns. Whether you're racing through obstacle courses or capturing breathtaking cinematic shots, the Neo is designed to perform flawlessly. The drone features multiple flight modes to suit all skill levels. Beginner-friendly options provide stable and intuitive controls, while advanced modes unlock manual capabilities for experienced pilots to explore acrobatic tricks and precise flying. The ultra-low latency HD transmission ensures real-time responsiveness, giving you total control as you navigate through tight spaces or expansive terrains. Safety is a top priority with the DJI Neo, featuring built-in obstacle detection and avoidance systems that enhance confidence while flying. With a top speed of up to 90 miles per hour and a flight time of approximately 18 minutes, the Neo delivers a thrilling yet reliable flying experience. Whether you're an aspiring FPV racer or a filmmaker looking for dynamic shots, the DJI Neo is an exceptional choice. Compact, powerful, and packed with innovative features, it sets a new standard for FPV drones, making it one of the most exciting releases of the year. And that's it for this video about 3 best stock FPV drones in 2024. If you liked the video, make sure to press the like button, leave a feedback in the comments section, and subscribe to receive updates about new videos. See you next time.